Hello treasures, let me show you how I made these simple but yummy chocolate cupcakes. I started by adding 1 cup of all-purpose flour into a mixing bowl, 1/3 cup of cocoa powder, baking powder, baking soda, nutmeg, and a little salt. Then I mix everything together. In another bowl, I'll mix half cup of sugar, 2 eggs. I'm using small eggs. If you have large ones, use only 1 large egg. Half cup of milk, which I mixed with 1 teaspoon of white vinegar. That will give you buttermilk. Then half teaspoon of vanilla essence, 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. You can also use melted butter. I will whisk and mix everything together. After whisking the wet ingredients, I'll then add the mixed dry ingredients into it. I'll also add half cup of hot water to dissolve the chocolate. That will also make it more fluffy. The cake batter is well mixed. I'll then transfer or scoop them into my muffin pans, which I spread with, or which I put my muffin peppers. If you don't have muffin peppers, you can just oil your muffin pan and scoop it that way. I have leftover raisins in the house, so I'm adding it to my cupcake. If you have chocolate chips, that's even better. You add that at this point. Then after that, I'll transfer into my oven, which is already preheating, and bake. And here we have our chocolate cupcakes. I baked this for 25 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. You check your oven when you're baking yours. And here we have it. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and share. Until I see you again in our next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.